Making money online is more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time business, there are plenty of opportunities available. In this video, we'll explore some practical and straightforward ways to get started. 1. Content creation. Content creation offers various ways to make money. If you enjoy creating videos, starting a YouTube channel could be a great fit. With consistent uploads and growing viewership, you can monetize your channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Similarly, blogging or podcasting can generate income through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. It may take time to build an audience, but content creation can lead to long-term income opportunities. It is like a never-ending money tree. 2. Freelancing. One of the most flexible ways to earn money online is through freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Start by creating a profile that highlights your experience and skills, then begin bidding on jobs that match your expertise. As you build a portfolio and gain positive reviews, you'll find it easier to attract higher-paying clients. 3. Online courses and tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, consider creating an online course or offering tutoring services. Websites like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on almost any topic. Alternatively, platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com connect you with students who need tutoring in subjects like math, science, or language. This is a great way to share your expertise and earn money in the process. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs through companies like Amazon, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. Start by choosing products that align with your interests or expertise, and then share your affiliate links through a blog, social media, or email marketing. With consistent effort, affiliate marketing can become a steady source of income. 5. Selling products. Another option is to sell products online. You can create and sell your own products, like handmade crafts, digital downloads, or print-on-demand items. Websites like Etsy, eBay, or Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and reach customers. If you prefer not to create your own products, you can also consider dropshipping, where you sell products from a third-party supplier without having to handle inventory. Remember, making money online requires effort, patience, and consistency. Choose a path that aligns with your skills and interests and start now. Over time, you can expand your efforts and see your online income grow.